This is a 1978 stroke 79 Kawasaki SR650. It's same as a Z650 motor, just a few different cosmetic things. It starts really well. I've rode it. Back brake works, front brake doesn't. The clutch and the gears are alright. Clocks work on it. It over revs a bit. After you've revved it, it takes a while to die back down. 1200 miles on the clock. Just fire it up. Hang on. As you heard, it's over revs a bit, but that's a smooth engine. Just needs maybe carbs balancing or cleaning. There you go, tidy bike.